Did you know that 1 in 7 privately insured patients have received a surprise medical bill even after visiting an in-network hospital? In many cases, this happens because the doctor who treated them was actually out of network. It's a frustrating situation and one that leaves many people confused about how insurance networks actually work. So what does in-network versus out-of-network really mean, and how does it affect your cost? An in-network provider is a doctor, hospital, or facility that has a contract with your insurance company. Because of that agreement, the rates are negotiated and discounted, which means lower copays, deductibles, and coinsurance for you. In-network care is more affordable and more predictable, and it usually includes services like preventative checkups, vaccines, routine screenings, specialist visits, diagnostic tests, and sometimes emergency care. To make sure a provider is in-network, you have a few options. You can check your insurance company's website or app, call the number on your insurance card, or ask the provider's office directly. One important thing to remember is that just because a hospital is in-network doesn't mean every doctor will be. For example, the hospital itself may be covered, but your primary care doctor or radiologist might not be. That's often how patients end up with surprise bills, even when they thought they were covered. Out-of-network providers, on the other hand, don't have a contract with your insurance. That means they set their own prices, which are usually much higher than in-network rates. Your insurance may only cover a small portion of the cost, or none at all. When this happens, the provider can bill you directly for the difference, a process called balance bill. The risks with out-of-network care go beyond just paying more. The costs are often unpredictable because office staff may only be able to provide an estimate. By the time the bill arrives, it may be hundreds or even thousands more than you expected. Claims also take longer to process, and there may be more paperwork involved, leaving you stuck in the middle. Here's a quick side-by-side. In-network care usually means lower deductibles, fixed copays, coinsurance based on discounted rates, and capped out-of-pocket spending each year. Out-of-network care usually means higher or even separate deductibles, much higher coinsurance, sometimes no cap on yearly spending, and in many cases, you may be responsible for the full bill yourself. Insurance plans are also designed to encourage you to stay in-network. For example, HMO plans typically don't cover out-of-network care at all, unless it is an emergency. PPO plans may cover some out-of-network costs, but you'll almost always pay more than you would in-network. This is why understanding your provider's network is so important. It keeps your costs consistent and helps avoid any surprises. When choosing between in-network and out-of-network care, there are 4 big things to consider. First is cost. In-network is almost always cheaper. Second, access. Sometimes the specialist you need is only available out of network, which can severely limit your options. Third, coverage. Always check the details of your plan before scheduling an appointment so you know what's included. And fourth, urgency. In emergencies, your care is often billed at in-network rates, even if the provider isn't part of your network. The bottom of the line is this: in-network care saves money, keeps your bills predictable, and makes the insurance process smoother. Out-of-network care, while sometimes necessary, is usually more expensive and less predictable. Before making an appointment, take a few minutes to confirm whether your provider is in-network and review your plan so you know exactly what to expect. Taking that extra step can protect you from surprise bills, reduce stress, and give you more control over your healthcare expenses. If you'd like to learn more about insurance coverage, reach out to Tactics. And since you made it this far into the video, you might as well like it, share it, and comment down below.